He gave us a fridge and pantry setup, and oh my goodness, this thing is jam packed. Did somebody take a dump in your fridge? Buddy, did somebody take a dump in your fridge? Yo, Heath with the 5 gift, appreciate you, Heath. It looks like somebody walked up to your fridge, dropped their drawers, and squatted down and took a dump. Okay, let's try to get past that. Chat, let's try to get past that and look at what's actually in it. Okay, miscellaneous freezer items, what's in here? Okay, looks like we got a pizza, we got a jug of sweet tea right here. Jug of orange juice, that's good. Okay, we got some... Yo, somebody took a dump on this dude's fridge. Look at all the stains. It's hard for me to give this a real rating, chat, because the cleanliness factor isn't there. Let's look at his pantry, though. I do see some Takis in the pantry, I'm not gonna lie. Strawberry shortcake. You just gained a couple points for having the strawberry shortcake rolls in here. I can ignore a little bit of the disgustingness of your fridge. Look at this and be like, okay, this is pretty good right here.